Quite possibly the worst thing I found with RPG Maker Unite so far is the fact that you can't use it with URP. Now, honestly, you can use it with URP. I've actually built actually I have a build with URP. It works. The problem is that the greatest thing about URP is the lighting, and I'm going to show you that with another asset, which is the Corgi Engine. And with RPG Maker Unite having the character on a UI level, and for the material, from what I could tell, is built at runtime, and you can't change that material to something that's affected by a URP 2D light. You can't have the lighting. You can't do some really cool things that are available in Unity lighting wise with RPG Maker Unite. And it is just absolutely stupid. All they had to do was have the characters built as a prefab, make a prefab of it that we could make changes to ourselves, and we could fix all this. My mind is still absolutely blown that RPG Maker Unite put the characters on a UI level layer. It is just the stupidest freaking thing I've ever heard of. But anyways, I'm just going to show you what you could do with the Corgi engine, which is probably one of the more popular assets in Unity as far as like a templates is the words I'm looking for. So I can switch to this character, and then you can see just how the lighting. You can set these lights, have it affect whichever layers you want. You could have affect the background layers. I have these things on a platform layer, the characters on a player level layer, and we could just have the lighting affect each of those layers really easily. And the thing that Corgi Engine does that they should do with RPG Maker Unite, but they don't, obviously. Let's see, where do we got this? We have this. Let's see, player. Now I gotta remember. Oh, it's been a while since I've done this part of it. Level manager. Okay, so we're going to character prefab. Okay, so basically what they do is it creates a prefab for the characters that you create, and then those characters can be affected. So basically, in the way we're able to do that is we just have our sorting layers. So I can move the sorting layer to whatever layer I want, and I have that as a lit URP, which means it's going to be affected by lights. Now, if RPG Maker Unite built a prefab of the characters instead of creating them at runtime like it does, then we would be able to change the material to a lit URP and change the sorting layer to whatever we wanted, which we can already, I think we can already change the sorting layer, but I could be wrong in that. But either way, it just it doesn't work with the lighting in URP, and it's absolutely stupid, and they missed the ball. And some of the bugs they're going to be able to work out, I think, fairly easily if they put the work into it. But this is one that's so fundamental, the way they have it. The only way that they would be able to allow us to be able to use it in URP that I could see would be to give the option of changing the material at runtime and switching it to something else. Instead of I think it's just a UI default material. If they let us change that to something else like a lit URP, then we would be able to use those lights. But anyways, that's all I got. I just had to rant a little bit. I'll talk to you guys later.